Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can join Twitter or X community in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is install Twitter in your phone. As you can see, mine is already installed and I've already logged on into my account. So let me open it for you guys. This is the Twitter page that you'll see, and you can see in the top left that I have already logged in into my account. But if you want to log out and log in, then you need to click on your profile, and then as you can see, there's my different informations, and here you can edit your profile and keep it into something else. But I want to log out of my profile, so what I'll do is click on the plus icon on the right side, and here you can create a new account or add an existing account. So you can create new account using your email and password, or you can already log in into your existing account. It's that easy to join Twitter or X community. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's me Elise signing out. I'll see you in the next one, and if you have any questions regarding this topic, leave it on the drop box and I'll be sure to answer it for you guys. Thank you.